Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius Daikin remote step by step. Press Menu, then use the arrow keys to find System or Preferences. Choose Temperature Unit and highlight Celsius, then press OK to apply. If the remote has a lock, unlock it first using the lock button or code. Confirm the display shows degrees Celsius and test by changing the set temperature to verify the unit switched. Start with the air conditioner powered so the remote and unit sync properly. Navigate menus patiently using the arrow buttons until you locate temperature unit settings. Select Celsius and press OK to save the change, then exit the menu to return to normal control. If changes do not stick, remove and reinsert batteries or try holding OK for a few seconds. Test by adjusting the target temperature and watching the display update. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation for hands-free cleaning. It pairs well with busy homes where adjusting thermostats and remotes is part of the routine, saving time for the things you enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the remote fails to change units, first replace the batteries and try again. Confirm your remote model because menu labels can differ slightly between models, and consult the manual for exact steps. If settings still will not apply, remove batteries for 30 seconds to reset the remote, then repeat the unit change process. Finally, ensure the indoor unit is powered and not in a locked or demo mode that prevents setting changes.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.